Hello developers, today we are going to see how to use the React Native counter. And this is our desired output of this video. When we click on the button, it shows how many times we clicked on the button, and after the certain count, it changes the color of the font like this. So let's get into it. This is our basic React app with a simple text output. First, let's import the touchable opacity from React Native. And we don't need this part, so let's remove this and write export default app here. And let's create the null state for the count, where count will be the 0. And this set count will increase the count by 1 and create one function which will keep the updated count value. So we can call it whenever we want the updated count. Now let's create a view section for the button and title, and we can assign this container style to it. Now let's create another view section for the title, and with the style we can increase the height and add a text in it. With this style we will assign a different style to the text. If the count is less than 5, then it will assign a less style, else it will assign a greater style and give some message in it and call the count function which has the updated count value. Now let's create the left style and add some style in it like font size and color, and create a greater style with a different color. Now let's create a button with the touchable opacity and assign a style button to the touchable opacity and on press to call the set count function which will increase the count by +1. Now let's create the button style and add some properties in it like width, height, align item, padding for the top, border radius for the curved edges, and background color. Now let's call the counter in our app, and let's open the terminal in the folder and start the app with the expo start. So we got the output and the text color is changing when the count is greater than 5. So that's it guys, make sure to check out the website. It have direct source code and installation process which will help you to build the awesome React Native apps. So like this video and give sub to this channel, and see you in next one.